Avalanche vs. Snowball.
Dear UTANG Serdia,
Hi, I currently have 450k pesos worth of utang and thankfully, I was able to score a part-time job. Now I can allot 28k 30k pesos for my debts per month. Alam ko super layo pa. Pero yung iba naman hindi pa na-charge kasi I have a lot of installments. Before ako mag-part-time ay minimum amount due lang na babayaran ko dahil may inuuna akong mga emergency expenses. Dumami ng ganyan yung utang ko dahil sa tapal system. Inactivate ko lahat ng dumating sa aking CC to be able to pay my other debts. Now, I promised myself na hindi na magtatapal system and last na yung gives na pinatos ko. Thankfully, di ako umabot sa olas. Yung question ko is, what do you think is the best method to use in my case kasi I have a lot of installments pa na parating. Here ang breakdown. Loan 1, 3,775 remaining, paid 4,9. Loan 2, 3,775 remaining, paid 4,9. Gives, 7,663 remaining, paid 06 BDO, CC, 46k charged plus, 7k remaining installment for 5 months. UBCC, 42k charged plus, 54k remaining installment for 18 months. EWCC, 63k charged plus, 39k remaining installment for 14 months. Now over limit minsan pag dumarating na yung installment due. RCBC 1CC, 61k charged, plus 26k remaining installment for 13 months. Now over limit minsan pag dumarating na yung installment due. RCBC 2CC, 5k charge plus 12k remaining installment for 12 months. Maya CC, 79k charged, no installment. Kaya ko pala natanong kasi nakapurchase ako online ng debt calculator na snowball method ang gamit. Pinapauna niya bayaran yung loan 1 and 2. Not sure kasi kung pwedeng I fully paid and G gives. And na-realize ko na kung may wala naman akong OD dun and kaya kong bayaran ng buo yung installments plus yung interests ay kasama na sa monthly amort sa GCash app. Naisip ko tuloy na baka hindi yun ang best method for me. TIA sa sasagot.